Have you ever caught your reflection and thought, I don't feel as old as I look? You're not alone. For many men over 60, the face in the mirror doesn't always match how sharp and alive they still feel inside. And surprisingly, it's not just the wrinkles or gray hair making the difference. Often, it's the haircut, that quiet detail we stop paying attention to, but everyone else still sees. The truth is, as we age, our hair can either pull us down or lift us up. The right haircut can soften deep lines, reframe your face, and even give you that boost of energy people pick up on without knowing why. Today, we're sharing 3 timeless haircuts that older men say made them feel instantly more confident without needing to chase trends or try to look like someone else. Let's dive in. Number 1, the refined gentleman's taper. Think of this as the grown-up brother of the basic buzz cut. It's neat, low maintenance, and most importantly, structured in all the right places. This haircut keeps the sides tapered, gradually shorter as it moves down toward the neck, but leaves a bit more length on top to create balance and lift. Why does that matter? Because as we get older, gravity does its thing. Our features soften, our jawlines lose definition, but the taper pulls the eye upward and outward, adding subtle sharpness back into your silhouette. Here's the key. It doesn't scream, I'm trying to look young. It says, I take care of myself. I still show up. Barbers love this cut for men with thinning hair, especially around the temples or crown, because the clean lines shift attention away from the scalp and toward the face. And from a psychological point of view, this look gives off clarity, steadiness, and capability, the kind of presence that quietly earns respect the moment you walk into the room. Number 2, the natural texture crop. This one is for the men who want to keep things real, while still turning a few heads. The textured crop plays with short layers on top, slightly uneven, designed to look casual but deliberate. The sides stay clean, but not too tight, and the top gives a bit of lift and movement. It's especially effective if your hair has lost volume or started to feel flat. Why does texture matter so much? Because our brains connect texture with vitality, movement, presence, personality, and that's exactly what this style brings back. You don't need to spend an hour styling it. Just a quick comb through, maybe a light matte cream if you want extra shape, and you're out the door. Men who switch to this style often say something interesting happens. People notice something's different, but they can't quite figure out what. They just say, you look good, you look refreshed, and that's the magic. You don't have to reinvent yourself. Just rediscover a version of you that's been quietly waiting for a comeback. Number 3, the classic side part with purpose. This one's a legend for a reason. It's the haircut of gentlemen, leaders, and storytellers. But when updated slightly, with softer edges and a bit more volume, it becomes one of the most age-defying styles a man can wear. Here's what makes it powerful. The side part creates natural asymmetry, which draws the eye across your face. It sharpens soft features, gives structure to your overall profile, and instantly adds polish, without feeling too formal. Add a light touch of volume up front, and you're not just wearing a haircut, you're wearing intention. This style works exceptionally well for men with silver or salt and pepper hair. It actually highlights the contrast, giving your look richness instead of making you feel washed out. Plus, from a social perspective, the side-parted style gives off signals of stability and wisdom while still feeling sharp and current. So what's the takeaway here? You don't need to fight aging to look and feel better. You just need a haircut that works with where you are now, not against it. A style that says, I've lived, I've learned, and I've still got more to give. So if you've been in a bit of a rut, or just feel like something's been a little off lately, maybe it's time to visit the barber and make a change. A small shift in style could be the easiest way to bring back a big part of how you see yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with the number of the haircut you're thinking about trying, and of course, subscribe to this channel for more practical wisdom to help you look sharp, feel strong, and age with purpose. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay sharp, stay wise,